Hey there, future mind readers! Welcome back to the channel where we delve into the fascinating world of human behavior. Have you ever felt like you're lost in a labyrinth of social interactions? Or perhaps you've wished for a superpower to instantly understand the minds of those around you? Well, today we're going to grant you a glimpse into that superpower. We're about to embark on a thrilling journey through the intricate landscape of human psychology. Together, we'll uncover 18 powerful psychological tips that will transform your ability to read people like an open book. From deciphering the subtle nuances of body language to mastering the art of active listening, you'll gain the tools to connect with others on a deeper level. Imagine being able to effortlessly navigate social situations, build stronger relationships, and influence others with ease. It's time to unlock your potential and become a master of human interaction. So, are you ready to unveil the secrets of human behavior? Let's dive in and unlock the power within you. Tip 1. Master the art of body language. Body language speaks volumes. Pay attention to subtle cues like crossed arms, leg positioning, and facial expressions. These nonverbal signals can reveal a person's true feelings and intentions. Tip 2. Listen actively, not passively. Active listening involves more than just hearing words. It means paying full attention, asking clarifying questions, and reflecting on what the other person is saying. This shows genuine interest and builds trust. Tip 3. The power of eye contact. Eye contact is a powerful tool for building rapport and understanding. Maintain steady eye contact, but avoid staring. This demonstrates confidence, sincerity, and engagement. Tip 4. Decode tone and inflection. The tone and inflection of a person's voice can reveal their emotional state and underlying meaning. Pay attention to changes in pitch, volume, and speed to gain deeper insights. Tip 5. Watch for micro-expressions. Micro-expressions are fleeting facial expressions that can reveal genuine emotions. By learning to recognize these subtle cues, you can uncover hidden feelings and intentions. Tip 6. The importance of personal space. Respecting personal space is crucial for building positive relationships. Be mindful of how close you stand to others and avoid invading their personal bubble. Tip 7. The power of mirroring. Mirroring involves subtly mimicking the other person's body language, tone of voice, and speech patterns. This can build rapport and create a sense of connection. Tip 8. The art of asking. Open-ended questions. Open-ended questions encourage deeper conversations and provide valuable insights into a person's thoughts and feelings. Avoid yes or no questions and instead ask questions that require thoughtful responses. Tip 9. The impact of touch can be a powerful tool for building rapport and conveying emotions. However, it's important to be mindful of cultural norms and personal boundaries. Tip 10. The role of silence. Silence can be a powerful tool for communication. Sometimes the best way to understand someone is to simply listen without interrupting. Tip 11. The importance of empathy. Empathy involves understanding and sharing the feelings of others. By putting yourself in someone else's shoes, you can build stronger connections and resolve conflicts more effectively. Tip 12. The power of positive reinforcement. Positive reinforcement can encourage desired behaviors and strengthen relationships. Offer genuine compliments and words of encouragement to build rapport. Tip 13. The impact of negative body language. Negative body language, such as crossing your arms or rolling your eyes, can create barriers to communication. Be mindful of your body language and avoid sending negative signals. Tip 14. The art of small talk. Small talk can be a great way to break the ice and build rapport. Find common interests and share light-hearted conversation to create a positive atmosphere. Tip 15. The power of humor. Humor can help to diffuse tension and create a more enjoyable social experience. However, it's important to be mindful of your audience and avoid offensive jokes. Tip 16. The importance of self-awareness. Self-awareness is key to effective communication. Understand your own strengths, weaknesses, and emotional triggers to improve your interactions with others. Tip 17. The power of authenticity. Be genuine and authentic in your interactions with others. People can sense when you're being fake, so always strive to be your true self. Tip 18. The importance of practice. Mastering the art of reading people takes time and practice. The more you practice, the better you'll become at understanding and connecting with others. By mastering these 18 psychological tips, you'll unlock the power to connect with others on a deeper level. Remember, effective communication is a two-way street. Be an active listener, express yourself authentically, and cultivate empathy. So, the next time you're in a social situation, put these tips into practice and watch as your interactions transform. Remember, the power to connect lies within you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful content.